I am so excited to be showing you this KIMBO camper today, not only because of its amazing design, but also because there's only 4 on the road, and this was the very first KIMBO ever built. I've been following them on Instagram, watching the build. These are just some amazing campers, so we're going to check out some of the features and give you a quick interior tour. Enjoy! On a 2016 Tacoma, 1,100 pounds. So sick. Brian, what do you think?
Dude, this is incredible, man. I'm thinking this is what, I don't know, I want to do the box like yours, but I'd also love to have something like that with that hard side. That's just so key.
I know. But 23?
Yeah.
That's very reasonable.
And 16 for just a shell, and then you build out the way you want.
Yeah, that's very reasonable.
I just like the profile of it. At first I thought I was like, oh, they're a little bit bulky, but it's not once you see them in person.
No, not at all. I was amazed. I thought it would be bigger in person.
But it feels big
like
inside.
It feels huge.
Plenty for one person. Plenty.
Oh, plenty.
Like riveted aluminum, so if anything happens, you know, a panel gets dented by a tree or something, you just pop it off, pop the new one on. This is awesome. It's awesome. Yeah, I got the little fireplace here, AC.
Love the reactions.
Cool.
Yeah, you like it?
I may get one.
So he's got airbags. He says it's super smooth.
Like, you could be on the interstate cruising 75, 80,
Yeah.
Yeah.
no problem.
I gotta downsize my camper.
Handles well.
For one person. I have trouble maintaining 75, 70 on the freeway.
Be using
Arctic
It's all self-contained within the bed, so you can park it anywhere.
It's got a toilet as well?
No, that's the only thing it doesn't have. But look, see here, man. You could, if you bought out the shell yourself and you build it how you want, and then over the wheel well.
You can put it in the corner here. Yeah.
Yep.
You can sit it up there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just build the tank bed. And
This thing is so spacious and cool. Alright, so check out what's behind me. This is one of the coolest things.
Hell yeah!
Wood burning stove. It's propane though. But. And then check it out. Water. Really cool little spigot. Fridge down here. You got like a sitting area. This area also transforms to an indoor shower. Another sitting area here with the desk. The sides have a suede type material to them that offers a little bit of cushion and overall cozy feel. There's LED lights throughout, and the really cool thing about this camper is there's no wiring behind the walls. It's all accessible if you need to replace a light strip or something like that. It's all kind of bare bones and skeleton, so that you can remove things and fix things if need be. Another really cool feature of the KIMBO is this little grate that you can leave your muddy boots on, and it actually has a drain so you can wash them. There's even a very conveniently placed coat rack right next to the door. You got your little storage cubbies here, you got AC, and you got the Goal Zero.
That's where my window.
Way cool.
It still get closed.
Hope you enjoyed this quick walkthrough of the KIMBO. You can see a lot more information on the build on Instagram at KIMBO Living. Bye-bye, KIMBO.